Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Symfony 3. So in this video we will learn how to we will learn about Crud, create, update, read and delete and we will applicate them, or we will do them without typing any line of code. So how we can do that? Let's see. But first let's create a new entity. So php bin/console doctrine. We can use doctrine generate or generate doctrine, it's the same, so I will use generate 2.doctrine 2.entity. So let's hit enter and it will ask us for the name. Let's name it page, but first the name of the bundle, so blog bundle 2.page. Let's hit enter. Yes, we want to use annotation. We want the name of the first field. Let's name it, for example, title. Enter, yes, string, and basically we'll also keep all with by default not unique description. Yes, string. Yes, just hit enter and we will add another field. Let's name it, for example, date. Let's name it date underscore pub, so publication date, and we will use here snake case, so hit enter. For type date time, enter, and we finish. So just keep typing enter, no more fields, and entity generated. So everything it works. So let's go and see this new entity. I will close this, close. So entity, where is page? Here it is, page, and here it is, our new entity that we. And now let's see the command line that permits us to generate, Crud, or create, read, update and delete. So let's find out this command. So php bin console generate doctrine Crud, and here we have two options. Either here put dash entity entity equal to block bundle 2.page, or just leave it, that's it, and he will ask us right here to give him like the name of the entity that we want to generate Crud. So we will just wait a little, and he will ask us this question. So here the entity shortcut name. So first always name of the bundle, so block bundle 2.page. Let's hit enter. And here, do you want to generate the right action? Yes. Enter. Yes, we want to use annotation. Yes, let's leave it /page. Yes, confirm. So now we will let him generate and see how much view he generates, and also the page controller. So let's see what he did, or what he generated. So, and he also generates a form. So let's go first and check the form. So let's go here, and also a test. So let's go to form, and here page type. If we click on it, we see the title, description, and that, or the publication date. Also now if we go to the controller, so page controller, we will see that he creates all the method here, the index that we find. Also we can see all the data, new action here, show, edit, and the delete here, and with also like the name, he gave him a name and the method. So to get to this action we need to go by method, get method, and for the page or the view he put them in new folder called page. So let's go and see this folder, resource, and we will not find this post or this this page folder in here. Why? Because he don't create it in here, but he go and create it in the app. So let's go to app, resource, view, and here we will see like the new folder page with where the edit, index, new HTML, new page, and show, and they are all extending from the master page base.html.twig. So if we want to make them, we go just copy that and paste it in the resource here, or change this this master page in here, but that you know how to do that. So now we need to see how we can see this page in our navigator, and to know that we need to know like the default route. So let's go back to our controller, block control, page control, and here first he tells us that the page to go to or to arrive to this controller you need to have page as route, and to get to this index you need also to add this slash. So now we know the path. Let's go to navigator and see. So basically we will write page slash. If we hit enter, now he should show us an error. So let's wait a little. See, now he shows us an error, and if we read here in the error message, he tells us base table or view not found. This table in CardDB page doesn't exist, and he is right, because we just create the entity here. We just create the entity, but we did not commit or update our database, and to do that we need to execute the form or the command php bin console doctrine schema update. So schema update -- force. So now let's hit enter, and he will add this new page to the database. And now he added to the database. So now let's go and refresh this page. Now you see that we have this page. So basically this page normally it will show us or select all those pages that are in database and put them in here, and here the action it's even edit them or delete them, and a link here of create a new page. So this generates a new lining page. So we create in here, let's click in here, create a new page, and he will show us like a form. When we can see here the form where we can type title, for example, title page, description, let's just make it description also, and here for the date, let's put date of today. We are in September 20, so here the hour, the exact hour, so 11:47. Yeah, let's click create. And now he will create this, or he will persist this to the database page. And here he tell me that this time could not be converted to string. It's error, but it's not like a big problem. So we'll just go here, go to this page, show page, and add a filter. So which pipe date. So now I will save, go back and refresh. Now he will show me like the show page. See here, title one. Basically, those just information that we just create. And here we see that we can edit and delete this post. So let's click on edit. And he will give us like the same those. So we'll delete here T and change in date. Let's put 21st. Edit. I think he will show us an error, the same error that it just appeared. So let's just refresh and we will see. No, he didn't. So now back to list. Remember the editing that we just did? Yeah, an error, so we will just go and use filter again. So let's go here to the index, and here let's use the filter. So pipe date. Let's save. Let's go now and refresh, and see here title with 1T and the modification that we did, and here also show or edit, or if we want to create like a new page. So now this is all for this video, and now I want you guys to go and add like Bootstrap or any other CSS framework to those pages. I will help you here. So let's just go here to the one I think master page that we create Bootstrap in it. I think here it's layout. Just copy this, or just copy those link, or basically just copy that and go here to the base HTML, paste it in here and start, and here in the index, and on those page start using some class in those HTML tags. So this is all for this video. See you next.